We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 2-bedroom apartment 9D. Let's head on in. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment and it has an open floor plan. So the living space and the kitchen is all one big open room. You can see we've got the dining table here in the center. And this one does have a renovated kitchen. So let's go over and take a look. We've got that nice stainless refrigerator, the dishwasher under the sink, the microwave over the sink, and the stove and oven. And the sink does have a sprayer. I think they did a nice job with these kitchen renovations here in these apartments. We like the colors and the style. The living room space over here. You can move furniture around however you like. We've got the seating areas, the tables, the air conditioner, and there is a TV. Let's go take a look at the bathroom, and then we'll look out the window and take a look at the bedrooms. So the bathroom is over here, just past the entrance door that we came in. And you can see we've got the toilet, the vanity, and the tub shower, just like we do in all the other bathrooms here in the building. Let's go through the living room space. So again, nice open space. You can arrange things however you like. So we're facing to the east. We've got nice bright light morning views here especially. The building next to us is called Collegetown Center, and over on the left you can see Dryden Road. We're just down from the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road, that center of Collegetown. So we're in a great location here in central Collegetown. Let's go see the bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 is over next to the bathroom. Let's go on in. The bedrooms will have the same furnishings. You've got your desk and chair, your dresser, your bookshelf, your full-size bed. The window again faces to the east. Let's take a look in the closet over here behind us. Maybe. There we go. Okay, closet over here. The closets are the same in both the rooms. And let's go across the hall. Across the living room to room 2. Room 2, this one is closer to Dryden Road, and this one has the windows split. So this is a unique window configuration. I kind of like that different style. You can open both those windows. Furnishings will be the same. The bookshelf, the dresser, there's that full-size bed, and again we're facing to the east. We're closer to Dryden Road in this one. And they have the desk over here in the nook, and closet is behind the door. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 9D. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. We're located at 111 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown. This is a 9-floor elevator building. We've entered on floor 4 and come up to 9 to get to this apartment. And we're located just 1 block to campus.